What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be replacing the battery on the BMW E90, and let's get right into it. So in your trunk, this is where your battery is. You turn this and then you lift this like that, and that is your battery right there. So first we're going to take this part out with a 10 millimeters. After, with a 10 millimeters too, we're gonna take this one out, disconnect the negative, disconnect the blue port right here, now using a 13 millimeters, so now right there you have to push that little flap towards you and then lift it up. Like that, and then same thing on the other side. There you go, and then it comes off just like that. Open this flap just like that. Again with the 10 millimeters, loose it, and then you can take this out. Make sure that you take this screw out, because if you don't, then it's gonna be impossible to move the battery. This is what holds the battery on the bottom. You have to remove this little tube right here, and now you can take out the battery. Before we insert the battery, we have to take the little cap off, so then you can insert the tube, and then we put it on the other side, because the battery is gonna be facing that way. Then the whole process backwards. Nice and tight. Then on this one right here, you have to push it down so it can clip on the battery. Make sure it's tight and secure. You have to insert this back. It tells you right there, the blue spot. We can connect the negative back. You don't have to worry about this one because it was disconnected all the time. That's just, I guess, for the dealer use. Then just drop this in, nice and secure. Make sure to put the frame back. Don't forget to put this in. And there you have it. Now that we completed the installation, we are going to use the Carly adapter for BMW so we can register the new battery. For this, we just have to go down here where you open your trunk. This tab right here, and it's gonna show the OBD2 port. We connect the adapter. We have to turn on the car. So the new battery that I am installing is the 78H, and then change type. Then if you just bought the application, you will have to pay extra for this feature, so you will have to unlock battery registration. Then after you change the type, you have to go back and register the battery. Register. You have to read the data. Then you just have to hit register battery. And that's it. Now you have registered the battery and everything should be working fine. Remember, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.